What's up, guys? It's Grant from GE Motorsports, and today we are doing a cold air intake on this. What year is it?
2011 Chevy
Tahoe with a 5.3 liter Vortec engine in it. Let's get this started. All right, the first step we're going to do is take off the engine cover. Next, we're going to disconnect the negative from the battery. And you're going to want to take this tube out, the vent tube, disconnect it from here as well, and disconnect this radiator hose, I believe.
Yeah.
And you just do that by flipping this out like so.
Hose clamps.
Next, we're going to move the two hose clamps. There's a closed clamp here and a hose clamp there. After you take off those hose clamps, go ahead and just remove the filter. It just sits in here, you'll see. Just kind of pulls out, give it a nice good tug. Don't forget to take out your sensor first. And I believe that's a T10 Torx bit. It's a T15, not a T10.
Hold firmly on the air intake.
Next, we take out the vent tube.
Install the mass air sensor.
Just rotating it. There's a little clip on it. Like so, just moves and pulls up. It's going to be right here though. So next, you're going to want to install the mass airflow sensor into the new tube, and then install the new heat shield. Next, you're going to want to install the weather stripping onto the heat shield, and trim as necessary. Set your heat shield in here with a well nut. It's going to go in here. You're going to want to mark to drill another 5/8 hole, and then your bracket lines up to this hole. So this is kind of showing, marking the hole to drill. All right, next you're just going to install your hardware. So through here, you're going to hold the bolt like so. Put your well nuts in, put that in, get it all down. Then we're going to put the tube in. So just install your tube, your filter, gaskets. Hook up your vacuum tube, and you should be all set. Don't forget to hook up your battery. We should be okay.
Put the engine cover back on.
I'm not feeling any leaks. Thank you guys so much for watching this install video. As always, I'm Grant, and this is GE Motorsports. Come for the installs, stay for the vlogs. Bye, guys.